Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new Guttenfang fish in the latest fish it update. Guttenfang has a really cool looks. It looks like this. Guttenfang. This one. Like this, it's really cool. It's blue colored and honestly, it looks so awesome. This fish is classified as legendary rarity like this. Like this, it's legendary fish. So I think it won't be easy to get. And to find this Guttenfang, you need to go to Pirate Cove. And based on my own experience, I managed to catch this fish in the middle pond on the island. This pond. So maybe I highly recommend fishing there first. And since Guttenfang is a legendary fish, make sure you use your best rod and best bait. And to boost your chances even more, don't forget to use luck totem or luck potions if you have one. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!